Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see various options for organizing your content. Go ahead and click on Notes. This will display all the notes you've created in your account, making it easy to find the specific one you want to work with. Now, from the left panel, locate and click on the note you want to set a reminder for. This could be anything from a meeting agenda to a project deadline or a simple to-do list. Clicking on it will open the note in full view, allowing you to access all the editing and organization tools available for that particular note. Once your note is open, look at the bottom left toolbar of the note window. You'll notice several icons there for various functions. Find and click the bell icon. This is your reminder tool, and clicking it initiates the process of adding a time-based notification to your note. This feature is particularly useful when you need Evernote to alert you at a specific time about important tasks or information. After clicking the bell icon, a calendar picker will appear on your screen. Go ahead and select the date when you want to be reminded. Simply click on the day you prefer, and the calendar will register your selection. This allows you to plan ahead and ensure you receive your reminder exactly when you need it, whether that's tomorrow, next week, or even months from now. Next, you'll need to adjust the time for your reminder. You'll see a time selector with small up and down arrows. Click these arrows to set the exact hour and minute you want to be notified. Take your time adjusting it to match your schedule perfectly. Getting the timing right ensures that your reminder comes at the most useful moment for you. Right beside the time selector, you'll notice an option to choose between AM or PM. Click on the appropriate one depending on whether you want a morning or afternoon reminder. This is an important step because selecting the wrong one could mean getting reminded 12 hours too early or too late. Finally, once you've configured your date, time, and AM or PM setting, look at the bottom right of the window. You'll see a button that says Add Reminder. Click on it to finalize and save your reminder settings. Evernote will now alert you at the specified time, helping you stay on top of your tasks and never miss important deadlines. And that's it. You've successfully set up a reminder in Evernote, ensuring you'll be notified exactly when you need to take action on your note. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.